guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm thinking that Barbie is in desperate need of some beautiful new shoes. And the way I see it is she has seen them, she wants them, let's go make her some. So nice and easy today guys, all we need to do is grab our silicone molds. I've chose silicones because it's so much easier. You literally fill them with some hot glue. Be careful not to burn your fingers and do it carefully and slowly, so it doesn't go too far over the edges, so it's quite easy for you when you take them out. You let them set, you take them out, and then as you can see, do it carefully because they will break otherwise. And they're super duper cute when they come out, as you can see. So if you did accidentally go over the edges and there's a little bits, I normally just get my X-Acto knife and I just cut around the edges of any little bits that are just spilling over. Make it nice and neat and tidy, because then it just looks really lovely. As you can see, we just take off the little edge bits. Then I chose an acrylic paint. I chose the pearl pink purple colour, obviously to go with Barbie's pink shoes, but I put a thin layer over the back just so that you don't see the glue colour. Then you turn it over and then do probably 2 layers I did on the top, because it sort of wipes on, and I think it just gives it a nice depth to the colour on the top. I did as well use a sponge just to dab it in, because obviously there's loads of crevices on the butterfly and the pattern, and you really want the paint to go in and seep in. It does look really good when it's done. As you can see, it seeps in. And then I chose the acrylic paint silver. Once the pink was dry, I went over with a very light layer of silver. It just made it pop, and I thought it really looked really pretty. I only did that on the top section that's pointing away, like facing you, not the back bit. So we put a thin layer of silver all over. As you can see, it just really shines, so it looks really pretty. I did decide to go in as well with some glitter glue. This is from TheCraftingBear. I chose the Candy Floss colour. Again, very fitting, nice and glittery for Barbie. And again, wait till this is nice and dry, the acrylic paint is dry, and then I just went in with a thin layer of the glitter glue on top of the butterfly, and as you can see, it's all sparkly and pretty, and it was beautiful. And then we're going to stick it onto the shoe. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on the shoe, and it's so cute. Barbie needs some decent, beautiful, pretty shoes, and these are pretty. You can do lots of different designs, but I obviously went for this one for this video. So when you get the shoe, I do suggest getting a little bit of sandpaper and just rubbing it on the back of the shoe to rough up the edge. Otherwise the plastic is so smooth it won't stick and it will just fall straight off. So rough up it a little bit, not too much, and then all we're going to do is put a little bit of hot glue on the back of our butterfly, and then we're just going to make sure the back of the heel matches the exact middle of the butterfly, so it's in perfect center of that, and line it up and just push it together, hold it in place for a few seconds so the glue can basically dry and it doesn't fall straight off. And as you can see, you've got a really cute pair of shoes. But you can try any different style. As you can see, Barbie loved her shoes and had to go and buy them, obviously. I tried lots of different colours, glitters, designs, whatever you fancy. I hope you enjoy doing it. Make something that's creative and that's custom made just for your Barbie. Bye!